Welcome to the lecture. If you want to become certified Solidworks professional and you want to accelerate your career, you want to stand out on the job interview, you have to pass Solidworks certification exam. How to take this exam and how to pass this exam, find out on the end of this lecture. If you find this video useful, click like and subscribe. In this lecture, we're going to show how we can work with profile orientation and profile twist. So first we're going to work with this sketch here. We have a circle. We're going to use this circle as a profile, and this spline we're going to use as a pad. So let's go to surface tab and swept surface. Let's choose sketch profile. Let's choose our profile and our pad. And this is normal surface that we got. Here we have options. Let's open this, and here we have profile orientation. And by the default, we have follow pad. Let's click here, and here we have another option, keep normal constant. Let's click this. Now, let's open our tree. Let's go to front and normal 2. Now we can see that the first profile and the last profile cross section are parallel because we choose keep normal constant along this pad. Now, if we choose here follow pad, we can see the difference. So this last cross section is not parallel to this profile at the beginning. It's under some angle. So you can see how by changing the profile orientation, you can have a different shape of your surface. And when you have some curved pad, then the shape of your surface by choosing different profile orientation can differ a lot. Now let's click OK. And now we're going to show a profile twist. So we have here two sketches. So for the sketch 1, we have here a profile. We're going to use this line and we're going to use this pad as well. And we have identical sketch here with this profile and this pad. So let's go to surface, swept surface, and let's choose this line as a profile. And let's choose this spline as a pad. And now we got something like this. Let's go to options, and we have here profile orientation follow pad. We see that because we see that this profile at the beginning and this profile at the end are not parallel. If we go with keep normal constant, now they are parallel. But let's go with follow pad, and here we have profile twist. And now we have by the default none. We can open this and we have few options. Specify twist value, specify direction vector, and tangent to adjacent faces. And we're going to use specify twist value. So let's click this. And now we have here another option, twist control. Let's click here and we have few options. We have degrees, radians, and revolutions. And we're going to go with revolutions. And here we can choose the number of revolutions. So we can go with 2, for example, like this. And now what happens? And now we see that this profile at the beginning is rotating along this axis 2 times. If we go with 1 number of revolution, now we see that this profile rotates 1 time 360 degrees along this pad. Here we can go with reverse twist direction. So we can change the twist direction like this. But let's keep it normal. And let's click OK. Let's go now to another sketch. Here, let's go to swept surface. Let's choose this as a profile and let's choose this as a pad. But now, other options, we're going to choose keep normal constant. So now we see that the first cross section and the last cross section are parallel. Under profile twist, we're going to choose specify twist value, and this is the only option that we have when we have keep normal constant. So let's choose this. And for a twist control, we're going to go with revolutions, and we're going to go with 1 number of revolutions like this. And we can also go with reverse twist direction, or we can turn this off. Now let's click OK like this. Now let's go to front plane and let's go normal 2. Now if we look at this, we can see that our last cross section on this surface and this surface are different. Here we can see that this cross section is parallel to the beginning, and this one is at some angle. So we can see here this angle. We can go to evaluate, measure, and we can measure this angle. So we have 25.15 degrees difference when we use follow path and keep normal constant. Let's go back to our surface, this one. Let's go edit, like this. And now we see we have here follow path. If we go with keep normal constant, not only last cross section is parallel to the first cross section, all cross sections along this path are parallel. So in this lecture we show how we can change the shape of our surface by changing the profile orientation and how we can use a profile twist. Hey, my name is Alan. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. If you want to become a Solidworks professional, if you want to earn a Solidworks official certificate, then you have to pass Solidworks certificate exam. This can help you to get a better job, to negotiate a better salary, and to accelerate your career. In order to earn Solidworks certificate, you have to pass the exams. I have courses that can prepare you for the exams. I have enrolled over 30,000 students. The rating I have for professional exam is 4.9. I have preparation for Solidworks Professional, finite element analysis, surface, sheet metal, and drawings. In courses, you will find all of the tools explained. You will find exercises, examples, and samples exam, the similar one you can find on the real exam. Right now, I have a special offer, and this is if you buy one course for $10, you will get one course for free that you want. As well, if you refer any course to someone else, you can earn 50% per course. This way you can make passive income. So if you want to get Solidworks certifications and you want to prepare for those exams, click the link below, check my website, and like and subscribe this video.